Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug, and of course we have another unboxing. A cat that wants to get unboxed as well. Okay, got the Gillette knife. Let's see if we can find an easy way in. Well, that just cut easy. That's not it. Oh, let's just brutally open this box. So we got some peanuts. I'm going to have to make a mess here, sorry. And this has come all the way from England. I'd like to thank Brian for helping me out. Brian does an excellent job with all the razor hunters around the world. Okay, let's start with this box here. And this is an interesting one. So I don't know if this is the actual box that came in it, but here we go. Gillette Platinum Blade. It's made in Italy, so this is a Gillette, and apparently one of the last ones made. It's obviously based on a twist. And let's open her up. Doesn't want to open. Yes, it does. Feels a bit flimsy, to be honest with you. I saw this one and I thought I'd go for it. Let's see if there's any date code on there. There is. F2, I think the date code is. So I think these were released in the 80s. One of the last Gillette DE razors built. So I get rid of this cat. Down you get. Come on. Come on. No. Annoying. So interesting. I don't know if that's the original case or not. And it may not be. Rightio. Let's pull out the blade. You idiot. Go on. Okay, so this is a Gillette, and sure it opens this way. There's a bit of plastic inside. So these are an interesting razor that I like. This is a Mayfair Deluxe. It's got a split, nothing unusual there. So I like these. I think it's like a cardboard box. But I just find them very interesting. You usually pick these up fairly cheap. They come on the market. And just surprising there's still any floating around. So I'll put that one away. There we go. And leave this one to last. This is the money shot. I'm just going to be careful how I open this one up. There we go. I think we're getting there. So, leather pouch. It's not a Gillette, but it is an Eclipse, a red ring Eclipse. This is actually in better condition than I thought it was going to be. Very, very nice. So there's the razor. I just got a thing for these razors, for the red ring Eclipse. Apparently the cat has too. This one's in very nice condition. As I get rid of this cat. So it's a two-piece. Doesn't have the etching on the cap like some of them do. But a beautiful razor. And really nice to shave with. This case is amazing. So what else did it come with? So, an unopened box of Eclipse blades, which I'd like to open it up, but I just won't. And this is amazing. There's not a lot of these floating around, and that is the instructions for it. So I'll just hold it up there and let you pause your computer, the footage, so you can read it. And on the back as well. But this is, this is excellent. These you don't, these pop up regularly, not, how can I put it? Probably one pops up every 4 or 5 months, I suppose. An Eclipse red ring, but to have them pop up with the paperwork is just rare as hen's teeth. And to have this little pouch, I don't know if it's a fake leather or, but it's nice. It's beautiful. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. And once again, thank you to Brian for looking after me. And we'll catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.